in the year 1949, 1950, some call, and some call that after the Arab in the 1947. Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about Israel-Palestine conflict. We will be dividing our topic into various segments, starting from the brief history, timeline and origin of these countries. Then we will move on to the importance of these countries, especially for India. Then we will discuss about the present context or the current scenario which is going on. After that, India's stand or India's side towards the conflict. Then finally we will conclude with the way forward. So starting from a brief history, I would like to take you in the ancient era where Palestine was formed. Palestine was under the control of Ottoman Empire in the starting of 15th century, and it was ruled by Arab leaders and was part of Arab world, which we currently known as West Asia. Palestine was a Muslim dominant country and supported by most of the Arab countries back then also and now then also. Now coming to the Israeli part, Israel was never been a concept of a nation. The existence of Israel only came in the year 1897 when the Jewish community decided to make their own independent nation. See, there were some problems which are basically discussed in the history with Jews. First one, they never had any permanent settlement. Suppose India is a country which has a settlement. Jews never had. And they were known as Israelites before Jews. So they used to be the migrant from one country to another, and one thing was very well developed in them, that they were very sharp from the brain and they were the businessmen and traders. So what they used to do, they used to go to one particular country and they used to eradicate the professional, all the ancient businessmen which were already doing. So the pressure was putting on the government from the trade unions that why these people are migrating to different countries. So they never settled in one particular country and there were huge protests for their settlement. Now coming about the timeline. The timeline started from the year 1940. 1914 when the World War I began. Britishers always wanted to defeat Ottoman Empire because they want to rule and capture the territories of Western Asia. They did that in World War I with the support of India, and they captured Palestine also. So Palestine now is a colony of whom? Britishers. And there was a growing feeling of nationalism also for Israelis in the year 1897, where they were thinking that we also want to make our independent nation.